How to delete a Discord server on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server on mobile. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Discord app, let's first visit the App Store right here or to your Play Store if you have an Android. And just click on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner so that we can search for the app Discord and check if it is up to date. So I'm just going to click on Discord right here. Now if that says update, if it shows an update button, that means that your Discord is currently outdated. So just click on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, and so we will be facing the same user interface within the app as well. Assuming that I am now done updating my Discord app, just go ahead and open your Discord. And to delete a Discord server, you have to ensure that you created that particular Discord server or that you own that particular Discord server. So only the Discord servers that you own, that you created, is the only servers that you are able to delete on your Discord mobile app. So to do that, just simply open up that particular Discord server. If you don't know how to do that, just click on that particular server from here. So I'm just going to click on that. So I'm going to delete this particular channel, for example. Make sure that you're in this page. And once you have selected the particular channel, just click on this three-dotted button right here, right beside the Discord server name, and click on Settings. After that, just click on Overview under the Settings section. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you should see the option to delete your server. Just click on that and this window should pop up to confirm your decision, and just click on yes if you really want to delete that Discord server. So that is how you can basically delete a Discord server on mobile. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.